Well, we've had a couple of days of rain and the lake is really filling up. You can no longer see the steel bar that goes across the middle where all the pumps and PVC pipes and stuff are hanging onto. That's gone. Probably about a meter higher than those, so soon I'll be able to let the spray pump work and see how that goes. But anyways, that's another story. But it's just pretty amazing how quickly it filled in. And I think another couple of rains and it'll be up near the top. And up there, overlooking the lake, is this beautiful palace on the top of the hill. Beautiful. And down here is the bamboo village. Quite an accomplishment, I think. So now I'm thinking I gotta build a dock at the bottom of those stairs, a floating dock. You can't buy styrofoam billets and stuff like that here. I've tried to source it, but I just can't. So I'm probably gonna have to use something improvised. And I'll get back to you on that. But I want to do it soon before I go back to Canada. Because it's nice to have a dock with a boat tied up to it and to go fishing. Okay, bye for now.